Now let's move, guys. Ne? We have what we call the Cartesian plane, guys. A Cartesian plane. What is the Cartesian plane? What is the Cartesian plane? Gonna introduce the Cartesian plane. Keep in mind before I actually talk about the Cartesian plane, ne? Let's check something else. Ne? This side, the Pythagoras theorem as well as the trigonometric ratios. This side we're dealing with angles that are actually less than 90, right? That is why hence we have the 90 degrees angle here. So this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. Ne? So right now we want to increase our angles to be more than just 90, right? So we want to increase our angles to be more than 90. How do we increase those angles? We to increase those angles by introducing what we call the Cartesian plane. So basically what the Cartesian plane does is actually, the Cartesian plane will actually help us to actually navigate through the trigonometry. So meanwhile, definitely introducing new things when it comes to trigonometry. Keep in mind we're doing grade 10 trigonometry, so we're basically introducing trigonometry. So let's talk about the Cartesian plane. Let's do the Cartesian plane. Thank you. So let's continue. This is what we call Cartesian plane. Some of you guys call it a graph, but I'm not going to draw a graph. This is my Cartesian plane, right? Definitely this is my x-axis, while this one will be my y-axis, right? Cool. So let's talk about angles now. With angles, I have 0 degrees this side, guys. This one that I have 90 degrees this side. I hope you guys can easily see it. Yeah, this is 90 degrees. I have 180 degrees here. I have 270 degrees this side, and I have 360 degrees here, right? Now let's check something out. Very important. Let's keep a close attention. Let's pay attention, guys. These things are very important. So I'm gonna draw my right angle triangle here. Right. I'm gonna draw my right angle triangle. Keep in mind the angle from this side, to this side, definitely we're talking about 90 degrees. From this side to this side, guys. See, from here to here, the angle is 90 degrees. Keep that in mind. 90 degrees, not more than 90 degrees, right? Then let's check something very important, guys. I don't want you guys to make a mistake when it comes to this one, right? So let me just do this one aside. If I have a triangle here, this is my 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, and then I'm given a inclination, angle of inclination, just theta. I'm gonna write it here, right? This is theta, right? And then I have to find the value of theta. Yeah, probably the size of theta. This is the angle of inclination. Keep in mind, this is the angle of inclination, right? So let's check this one out, guys. Very important. Let's check this one out. Very important. Very, very, very important. This one, if I have to use this angle of inclination, which is theta, in terms of trigonometric ratios, right? Let's check this one out. You see this side, the opposite side. This is the opposite side.